Here's a 2008 Dodge Caravan that seems like a newer year because Caravans are the same body style through the year 2018. This red beauty has 99,000 miles, and because most of its miles were highway commuting and now it's been highly rejuvenated, it could easily pass for having half as many miles. Let's take a look. I appreciate your interest. Please call, text, or mail with any questions.